Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why you should switch over to Gusto Payroll Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in using Gusto, but you're wondering if it's the right payroll software for you. So with Gusto Payroll, I've been using it for well over 7 years now. And two things I really like about Gusto is that number one, you could basically set up payroll and set it and forget it. So I set my payroll up about like 5 to 7 years ago. I kind of forget now. I get paid on time. Gusto makes it so my payroll is tax compliant specific to my state. And it also makes it so that it's really easy to set up and it runs on autopilot. The second thing I really like about Gusto is that it allows for self-service. So if I go into this documents tab here, your employees or yourself are able to log into Gusto and they can access their W-4s, their W-9s, their 1099s, or even their pay stubs as well. So that removes the need for employees to reach out to HR asking for copies of these documents. Now with Gusto, I pay around $50 a month for it. I'd say like once every 2 years, they tend to increase their monthly price just to kind of like keep up with the economy and such. But even so, the simple plan allows for payroll in one state and the plus plan allows for payroll in multiple states. I don't really know anyone that uses the premium plan, but if you're a kind of a small business, if you're only putting yourself on payroll or one other employee on payroll, I'd say the simple or plus plan are going to be the right choice for you. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get $100 sent to you.